Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So I have a question for you. Is your cleaning business being found when it comes to government cleaning contracts? Are buyers and procurement officers finding you? No? Yes? You don't know? Okay, well in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to make sure that you're noticed and found a lot more than what you ever could imagine. Ready? Let's go. So the way you're going to get found a lot more, I'm talking 50-60% more, is by creating the right DSBS profile. So what is the DSBS profile? The DSBS profile stands for Dynamic Small Business Search, and it's actually an SBA profile, or that's how it's found under what? Your sams.gov. So when you're registering for your sams.gov, you want to go all the way through until you get to the end, right before you hit submit, and it says, would you like to create a SBA profile? It's going to take you off the sam.gov page, and then it's going to take you to that DSBS profile. Now, some people have no idea what they can do to make sure that they actually are found in the search. So I did a little search. I simply went to DSBS profile, which you can do. It's going to bring up that particular website. And then when you're doing that, which is SBA, but when you're doing that, what do the contracting officers, who are the individuals that combine cleaning and other contracts, facility services, any type of contract, what do they look for? So the first thing they do is they normally go to that DSBS profile, and they may put in certain keywords because you can be literally found in several different ways. So let's go over ways that you can be found. Then I want you to choose one of the ways that you think is going to benefit you the most. So the first way you can be found is location. So if I'm a contracting officer looking for your services, supplies, or equipment, I'm going to put in the certain location, and that's going to bring up all the individuals with the NAICS code. So let's say I'm looking for the state of California, NAICS code 561720. It's going to bring up all the small businesses that have California locations and that particular NAICS code. Now let's say I want that location, California, that NAICS code, and I'm looking for woman-owned small businesses. It's going to bring up how many in that area, the state of California. Now, if I want to narrow it down even more, I would then be able to put in the actual zip code. So I'm looking for California with this zip code, with that NAICS code, and I'm looking for woman-owned small business. There may be 100. So I'm going to click onto that 100, and I'm going to look at your capability narrative. That's that paragraph that you put, or that you absolutely should put, when it comes to filling out your DSBS profile. Now, what you really want to pay attention to is putting something that is going to differentiate your business, which I've spoken about through various videos, when it comes to making sure that you differentiate your business from all the other noise. That's one of the main ways you get noticed. But the other way is making sure that you put in keywords, and you can simply go to neilpatel.com or ubersuggest.com, and I'll put these links in the description. Put in janitorial, commercial cleaning, and it's going to bring up the best. This particular gentleman does nothing but, he is like an expert with SEO, search engine optimization, which is what you want for your keywords. Now, like I said, there's several ways you can get found. I'm a contracting officer. I'm looking for a company for no bids. I may be looking at a company for not having them not have to bid on anything. I'm going to put in certain locations, NAICS codes. I'm going to put in, if I'm looking for a minority business, a woman-owned business, I'm looking for all of these different ways that's going to differentiate you, and you're going to come up in that search. And based on that, I'm then going to go to the next place, which is your website. So you want to make sure you have one. And then I'm going to download your capability statement. So you want to make sure you have one of those as well. Well, if you want to know what the third, fourth, and fifth thing is, guess what you can do? You can sign up for my free workshop where I go into that and so much more this Wednesday. Love to see you there. Space is limited, so click the link in the description to actually register. Bring pen and paper. And until the next video, I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.